What if I told you the difference between a car that lasts 5 years and one that lasts 20 years comes down to just a few engineering decisions? And according to Consumer Reports data based on 380,000 vehicles, some cars are statistically built to outlive others with fewer breakdowns, lower repair costs, and insane long-term durability. Today, we're breaking down 5 of the most reliable cars for 2026 with real owner data, engine secrets, and some shocking facts that most people don't know. Let's start with number 1. The Toyota Camry, often called the 300,000-mile king, continues to stand as one of the most reliable cars on the road. And according to Consumer Reports, Toyota is ranked the #1 most reliable brand in 2026, with the Camry itself scoring in the mid-70s for predicted reliability, placing it among the top mid-size sedans. Under the hood, it features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder dynamic force engine, along with an optional hybrid system, which is widely considered one of the most dependable powertrains available today. What makes this engine exceptionally reliable is its low-stress tuning, naturally aspirated design, and extended maintenance intervals, all of which reduce wear in long-term mechanical failure. Toyota's philosophy of conservative engineering, perfecting existing technology instead of rushing new innovations, plays a major role in the Camry's durability. Real-world owner data strongly supports this reputation, with NHTSA-based Reddit analyses describing the Camry as almost boring due to its extremely low complaint rates, while another owner famously stated that the 2.5-liter is just stupidly reliable. Adding to its legendary status, many Camry models have been reported to surpass 300,000 to even 400,000 miles with only basic maintenance, which is exactly why taxis and fleet services around the world continue to rely heavily on it as a long-term, low-risk investment. Number 2. The Honda Accord, often described as balanced perfection, continues to compete head-to-head with the Camry in reliability, and according to Consumer Reports, it holds a strong predicted reliability score in the mid-70s, making it one of the most dependable mid-size sedans in 2026. It comes equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine and a highly refined hybrid system, with the hybrid variant being the more reliable choice due to its lower mechanical stress and proven design. Honda has spent decades refining its engines for efficiency without overloading internal components, and its continuously variable transmission, CVT, once criticized, has now matured into a reliable and smooth system. What makes the Accord stand out is its balance. It delivers performance, comfort, and durability without compromising any single aspect. Real owner experiences consistently highlight its long-term smoothness, minimal major failures, and strong resale value. A key insight from industry data shows that brands like Honda achieve high reliability by reusing proven components and avoiding risky redesigns, which directly results in fewer unexpected breakdowns over time, making the Accord a smart and safe long-term investment for everyday drivers. Number 3. The Toyota Corolla, widely known as the undisputed budget king, remains one of the simplest yet most reliable cars ever built, and its reputation is strongly supported by data from Consumer Reports and long-term ownership studies. It is powered by either a 1.8-liter naturally aspirated engine or a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine, along with an optional hybrid variant, all of which are designed with minimal complexity and maximum efficiency. This simplicity is the key to its legendary reliability, as fewer moving parts mean fewer chances of failure. The Corolla's lightweight design, proven drivetrain, and consistent engineering updates make it incredibly durable over time. Real-world owner data and NHTSA complaint analysis frequently highlight the Corolla as having some of the lowest complaint rates in the automotive industry, with many owners reporting worry-free usage for over a decade. In fact, viral automotive studies show that Corollas often last 15 to 20 years or more with basic maintenance, and they rank among the lowest in maintenance costs globally. This makes the Corolla an ideal choice for buyers who want a no-nonsense, dependable car that delivers long-term value without unexpected expenses. Number 4. The Lexus ES, often described as luxury without problems, takes reliability to another level by combining premium comfort with Toyota's proven engineering. And according to Consumer Reports, Lexus consistently ranks among the top 3 most reliable brands in the world. Built on a platform closely related to the Camry, the Lexus ES offers a 2.5-liter hybrid system and a 3.5-liter V6 engine, both of which are known for their long-term durability and refined performance. What makes the ES exceptionally reliable is its use of already perfected technology rather than experimental systems, along with higher quality materials and less aggressive engine tuning, which reduces stress on components. Real owner insights frequently point out that the Lexus ES shares much of its drivetrain DNA with the Camry, resulting in extremely low complaint rates and minimal major issues even after years of use. Adding to its credibility, Lexus regularly tops dependability rankings, proving that luxury cars do not have to sacrifice reliability. This makes the ES a unique option for buyers who want both comfort and peace of mind without the high maintenance risks typically associated with premium vehicles. The Honda Civic, known as the smart long-term investment, continues to be one of the most practical and reliable compact cars available, with strong support from Consumer Reports and long-term ownership data. It comes with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine, which is considered the most reliable option, along with a 1.5-liter turbocharged variant that offers better efficiency but slightly higher complexity. The Civic's reliability comes from its strong engine design, lightweight construction, and excellent fuel efficiency, all of which reduce strain on the vehicle over time. Owners consistently report long-lasting performance with minimal major repairs, and studies show that the Civic has an average lifespan of around 13 to 15 years, which is impressive for its segment. What makes the Civic especially appealing is its low cost of ownership. Replacement parts are affordable, repairs are predictable, and the engine rarely experiences early failure. Because of this, the Civic has built a reputation as one of the smartest financial choices in the automotive world, offering reliability, efficiency, and long-term savings in one complete package.